was original, so exceptional when I lay my stamina. So every way I go to treat it like a minister. But see in a minute, I lay down the formula. The international rapper was original, so exceptional when I lay my stamina. So every way I go to treat it like a minister. But see in a minute, I lay down the formula. The international.
Got that naughty booty, I still got that heat. I am still such a cutie, just move to the beat. I still got that naughty booty, I still got that heat. I am still such a cutie, just move to the beat.
Get it out, getting fun with that cause I'm keeping from ya. I'm warning ya, I put it down like a Godzilla. No stopping that, I knock you out when I bring it out. Stick my rhymes to your head when I spit it out. Getting fun with that cause I'm keeping from ya. I'm warning ya, I put it down like a Godzilla. No stopping that, I knock you out when I bring it out. Stick my rhymes to your head when I spit it out.
I still got that naughty booty, I still got that heat. I am still such a cutie, just move to the beat. Like it, you want it, I got it, you love it, I like it, you want it, I got it, you love it, I like it, you want it, I got it, you love it, I like it, you want it, I got it, you love it, I like it, you want it.
That was Hip Hop Explosion by MJC and LCM. We need you to subscribe and leave a like so we can achieve our dream of being in a band. Thank you for watching.